In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize frame with content in Figma. If you've ever resized a frame and watched your content jump around or fail to scale the way you expected, this walkthrough will show you a clear, reliable way to do it and help you understand what's happening along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Sign in so you can access your workspace. On the home screen, look for the area that shows your teams and files. Click into the section that shows all of your projects so you can see everything in one place. This makes it easy to find the file you want without digging through recent items. Choose the project that contains the design you want to work on and open it. If you have multiple files in that project, pick the one with the frame you plan to resize. Once the file opens, you'll see your canvas and the layers panel on the left. If your file is busy, the layers panel is a great way to select precisely what you need without catching the wrong element. Now click directly on the frame you want to resize. Frames are the containers for your screens, sections, or components, and you'll know you've selected one when you see the blue outline and the resize handles around the edges. If your click selects a nested element instead, use the layers panel to choose the frame by name, or click once to select a child and again to climb up to the frame. With the frame selected, resize it by dragging one of the corner handles. This gives you the most control and keeps the shape proportional if you need it. If you want to keep the current proportions, hold Shift while you drag. If you'd like to resize from the center outward, hold Alt or Option. Watch how your content responds. Elements that use auto layout will reflow based on their settings, and items with constraints set to left and top will stay pinned, while items set to scale will grow with the frame. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If text, icons, or strokes aren't scaling the way you expect, check each layer's constraints in the right-hand panel. Setting constraints to scale can help the contents grow with the frame. For precise proportional scaling of everything inside, the scale tool can be useful, but a simple corner drag on a properly configured frame will often be all you need. Finally, zoom in as you resize to keep an eye on spacing and alignment so the layout still looks intentional at the new size. That's it, you've resized a frame with its content in Figma while keeping control over how everything adapts.